In this video, I'll show you how to check liked posts on LinkedIn. If you want to see the posts you have liked on LinkedIn, the easiest place to check is your activity section. LinkedIn says you can go to your profile, open Show All Activity, and then use filters to view specific types of activity. It also documents a reactions view inside activity, which is where previously liked posts, articles, and comments can be found. Let's start on mobile. Open the LinkedIn app and tap your profile picture, then tap your profile again to open your full profile. Scroll down until you see the activity section, then tap Show All. Once you are inside, use the filters at the top and look for the option related to reactions. That is the section where LinkedIn groups the content you have reacted to, including posts you liked. LinkedIn's Help Center confirms that activity can be filtered by type from your profile activity page. If you are using LinkedIn on desktop, go to your profile page and scroll down to Activity. Click Show All Activity, then use the available filters to narrow the view. LinkedIn's help pages indicate that reactions are part of your activity history. So this is the best place to look when you want to review content you previously liked. This is useful when you want to revisit a post you found interesting but forgot to save, or when you want to remove a like from something you reacted to earlier. LinkedIn's activity help page also notes that you can always view and delete your activity, which means this section is not only for checking your history, but also for managing it. It is also helpful to know the difference between saved posts and liked posts. Saved posts are stored in a separate saved section, while liked posts show up under your activity and reactions. So if you are looking for something you reacted to, do not search only in saved items. LinkedIn treats those as different categories. This distinction is based on LinkedIn's separate help pages for saved content and activity management. One more thing to remember is that posts and comments you like or react to can be shared with your network, depending on visibility settings and the type of post. LinkedIn says reactions are part of engagement activity, so reviewing your reactions from time to time can help you keep track of what you have interacted with. That's how to check liked posts on LinkedIn. Open your profile, go to the activity section, use the reactions filter, and review the posts you have previously liked. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.